Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. In today's video I'm going to talk about one particular aspect of a website that I use all the time in order to make some extra money. And this is called Inbox Dollars. You probably have heard of it. It's pretty popular. It's one of them that I've been using for years now, and I can vouch for the fact that it is totally legit. And what I love about it is there's a bunch of different ways you can actually earn money. It's not just one particular way. But what I want to talk about today is what's called the deals. So this is the Inbox Dollars website. Okay, one of the main things about Inbox Dollars is that you earn money by opening emails, which you can do from here from the website, or you can do it from within your own email system. So as you can see, I've got one right here waiting, but I'm not going to talk about that today. I've dealt with that in other videos. What I want to talk about is this section right here. It's called Deals. And as you can see underneath it, there's 3 different ones, and I want to touch on how easy they are and how you can earn money doing these, quote, deals. So the first one we're going to talk about is shopping. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and so here, what you do here is if you're going to be ordering online, for instance, let's take Walmart. Almost everybody shops at Walmart. So let's say you're going to order online from walmart.com. You're going to earn up to 2% back by any of your purchases that you make. Okay, so it's real simple. Here are the steps. You find the store you want to shop at. You shop. Step number 2 is you shop at the store. And then number 3, you're going to get cash back into your Inbox Dollars account after you make your purchase. So, like I said, here's Walmart. You're going to earn up to 2%, and if you click on this, I'll show you what happens. It's going to give you a little bit of the terms and conditions. So, for instance, there's going to be some things you cannot earn cash back on. This is pretty typical, like pharmacy, gift cards, prepaid phone cards, that kind of thing. That's pretty typical of any cashback policy. Okay, and then it tells you about how long it's going to take for them to credit. In my opinion, or in my experience, I've never had to take that long. They're just going to go ahead and let you know that just in case. They've got to verify that you did make the purchase and that kind of thing. So once you do this, you're going to hit continue, and it's going to take you off to the store website. So in this case, being Walmart. So at this point, it's tagged you. It's tagged your Inbox Dollars account. So whatever purchase you're making, then you're going to get credited for it for any purchase that you make. Okay, super simple. I'll close that out, and we'll move on to the next one, which is coupons. Okay, I actually like this one. This is one I use all the time because I technically use coupons all the time when I go shopping. And so this is just another one that I like to use. I use the ones that come in my newspaper, and then I also use sites like this where I can digitally clip them and then print them on my printer. So under the coupon section, once again, real simple. You're going to clip your coupon that you want to use, and then you're going to print it, and you're going to have to do a little verification there. They'll send you a code to your mobile device. And then once you use the coupon, okay, very important, you have to actually use the coupon, you're going to earn 10 cents for every coupon you redeem. So super cool. You're already going to be buying these items, you're going to save some money with the coupon, and then you're also going to get money back in your account. It's a win-win all the way around. Okay, so all you do here, let's say you want this coupon here to save 75 cents on Clorox disinfecting wipes. You're going to click coupon. And as you see, now it's over here. I have one in my print coupon area. Okay, so let's clip another one. We'll put 2 in there. And you can also sort by category. So I click on here, and you can sort. I have 2 cats, so let me see what they've got in that category. Okay, great. We got food, we got cat litter. So I'm going to clip this one. And then all you're going to do is hit print. Okay, and here's where you're going to enter your mobile phone number. And it's going to send you a verification just to make sure you are who you are. And all you do is put the code in once they send it to you. I'm not going to bother to do that right now. And then you're able to print your coupons and then go to the store, use the coupons, and you'll get credited. Okay? Once again, it's going to take it's not going to credit immediately, but it does work. I use this all the time when I go grocery shopping, and it works. So that's one of the ones that I love as well. And let me show you the very last one, which is Groupon. Probably you're familiar with Groupon. Same idea. They've got a ton of different things you can do. You're going to click on the Groupon that you want to use, and you're going to buy the product, whatever it might be, a product or service, or anything that you're going to be purchasing from Groupon. You might as well come here and do it because you're going to get cash back. So step 2, you're going to earn 5% cash back on the items that you do purchase from Groupon. So and then number 3, you're going to get that cash back into your Inbox Dollars account, and you're also going to get the savings that Groupon gives you. So just like the coupon situation, you're going to be saving on purchasing these things anyway, and then you're going to get cash back. It's a win-win. So for instance, here I'm in Houston. You can change the location up here if you like. Here we've got Houston Brewery Tours that is discounted to $59, and I would earn up to $9.95. So I would just click on that, purchase the item, and I would get credited. We've also got Vera Paredes, which is a restaurant in downtown Houston, and I can earn up to $1.25. So this is a great way, especially if you're already going to be doing these things or you use Groupon on a regular basis. I would suggest, instead of just going to Groupon's website, that you come here to Inbox Dollars and purchase it this way so you get extra savings or cash back on top of your extra savings. Okay, so that is it. That is the deals section of Inbox Dollars. If you're interested in finding out more about Inbox Dollars, I have other videos on how to earn, because they've got, like I said, a ton of different ways you can earn by taking surveys, emails. They even have TV you can watch and earn money, games, search, all kinds of things. So I'll leave a link in the description, and you can sign up. It's free and get started, and you can earn money just like I am here. As you can see, I'm close to the cash out. Cash out for Inbox Dollars is $30. So I'm getting pretty close. I've actually cashed out a bunch of times with Inbox because I've been using it for so long. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And if you're not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe, and you'll get more content from me like this, as well as I also do videos on how I earn a full-time living online, and I'll show you how I do that. These videos like this are really just about how I make a little bit extra cash here and there. I actually make a full-time income through affiliate marketing, and if you're interested in stuff like that, there's also a link in the description, and I also do videos on that here and there. So with that being said, I thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.